Welcome back. It's time for another build. This time doing the high-grade Tri-burning Gundam. So I got this one off Amazon, $35 US. I saw it on some other Gundam model sites for $25, $28, but by the time I pay tax and shipping, end up being about the same price. And I was already ordering some stuff off Amazon, so it fit in there nicely. So honestly, this is just a cool looking Gundam. I have never seen this one. The whole fire effect and everything is slick. I hope it looks as good as it looks on the box, but we'll see. So we'll do the usual here, unbox it, time-lapse it out. I'll show it off and then come back then and talk about it. So with that, let's get it out of the box and see what these flames look like. Okay, let's see what our Tri-burning Gundam has in store for us here. I said the box art looks really cool, so we will see what we got here. There's some nice, like, crystal clear kind of blues. Yellow blues. We've got some whites, some reds, or decals right there. Here we go. Now we're getting into some fire stuff here. Lots and lots of it. Okay. This is going to be cool. Let's see what we got for our instructions here. Typical high-grade fold-out style that I can't seem to get to fold out. Here we go. Lots of cool poses and information about it. All sorts of different stuff here. I'm putting together the fire. Oh, okay. Well, this one looks fun. I'm ready to get to it. Let's take a look at it. Okay, let's talk about this in a little bit. So build fighters, team try, all this kind of stuff is new to me. I had to dig around some, do some quick research just to see what all was going on here. But taking it from the top, instructions on this one, really solid, okay? Not really any vague spots, nothing really confusing. It's just a very easy start to finish build as far as the instructions go. I think the biggest thing I'm going to call out across this whole thing is that if you follow the instructions like step 1 through the end, you'll end up with a model with all these blue bits on it. So if you see all these blue pieces, right, in the Gundam world, this is where some particle is stored, right? And then when it releases the particle, you get the burning Gundam. So if you follow the instructions, you end up with a model built with these. And I'll throw a picture in here so you can see what it looks like, because it looks drastically different than the burning Gundam looks. Then the end of it, right, is another page, and it tells you how to replace all these pieces and put on the flames, the burning pieces. So my advice to you would be, if you like the burning look and that's what you're going to do, just set this blue piece runner off to the side, and anytime it references that runner, just figure out which one of these should go there. It'll just save you a lot of time. Otherwise, you're going to build it, take it apart, put it back together. Fit and finish on it is awesome. All right. Articulation is great. You can see the pose here. It hits it no problem. These pieces coming out from kind of the flaming fist here are really loose. They kind of move on their own anyway, but they pop out really easy. The blue bits are pretty solid except for the hip pieces. And actually I had one put together here. I'm just going to show you, but it fell apart setting here. So the hip pieces with the blue bits, they just fall off. So that's a piece to kind of be aware of. Otherwise, goes together really well, stays together really well. From an accessory standpoint, there's nothing here. Okay, there's no sword, there's no shield, there's no gun. It's just this. It does come with, right, you can make like this goes on the foot and you can do like flaming kick kind of poses. Other than that, I mean, this is what you get. From an overall Gundam standpoint, I will tell you, I love this thing, okay? I don't think I've ever had a Gundam where posing it just felt like it was in motion like this one does. I think just the whole flaming fist smash kind of look, but also, like I said, if you were using this to kind of get kicks and things going, it just feels very dynamic. It feels like it's in motion when you look at it, which isn't something a lot of the Gundams necessarily, they look awesome posed, but they just don't feel like they're in motion like this one does. So absolutely love it. I really do. I've got another one of the I think it's Lightning over here in the box. I'm looking forward to it now. I'm curious how it works out compared to this one. But really, I mean, honestly, you come to me and ask and be like, yes, go get it. Okay. Goes together well, stays together, and it just looks amazing when you have it posed. It really does. And that's Try Burning. So as always, keep the comments, the feedback coming. I love all of it. Thanks for watching.